Hey all, it's Jonathan Pollard here from Style Factory, the go-to site for e-commerce and web design advice. In this video, I'm going to share a special Squarespace promo code that gives you 10% off any Squarespace plan. Here's how you get your hands on this. 1. Click the special Style Factory affiliate link. Because we're an affiliate partner of Squarespace, we get access to special links that let our community access the platform at a lower cost. You'll find one of these in the video description, and the first thing you'll need to do is click it. This will take you to the Squarespace website. Once there, just click the Get Started button. You'll then be prompted to pick a template and start a 14-day Squarespace free trial. 2. Use the Style Factory 10 discount code. When your trial is over, it's time to pay for a Squarespace plan. When doing so, enter the Style Factory 10 promo code at checkout. This will give you 10% off your chosen plan. There's a couple of things you should note here. First, when you use this code, we may get a commission, but this is at no extra cost to you. And second, this code works on your first Squarespace purchase only, meaning that if you buy an annual plan, you'll get a bigger discount than if you use it to buy a monthly one. And that's it. You now have 10% off Squarespace. Please do like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notifications bell for all our latest web design tips and promo codes. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. We read them all and we'll do our best to help.